Hello creative, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be doing graphic design, and in this video I'll be showing you how I design this in Photoshop. So stay tuned and keep watching. So here I'm in a workspace, so I'm going to use inches of pixel. So I'm going to use inches for this. So the inch is going to be 5, the weight is going to be 5, the height is going to be 5, the evolution is going to be 300, and the piece by pixel by inch is going to be pixel per inch, and color mode is going to be RGB, and it's going to be 8 bits. The background color is going to be white. So I'm going to create a new workspace. So here is my new workspace. After I give me a new workspace, I'm going to give it guide 9. So I'm going to go to my new guide 9. The column should be 2, the row should be 2, and the top, left, bottom, right, all of them should be 5. So I'll put a new guide 9. So after this, I'm going to go to my solid color. Go to solid color. I'm going to give it the turquoise color. So this is my turquoise color. I'll give it a turquoise color. So right then, I'm going to import the image. I'll import the image here. So I'll import the image into the turquoise, into the background. So right then, I'm going to import the I'm going to drag this other background I'm going to use for value. I'm making it in there. Ctrl 3. So resize the object. I'll resize it. I'm going to change the blending mode to overlay. I'm going to give the beneath of the object Ctrl backspace to make it go down. After that, then I'm going to go to my brush. So add a shadow to this PNG. Create a new layer. Then I'm going to go to my brush setting. I'm going to make it landscape. Then I want to round that shadow to this beneath. So sorry, or make the background color to be black. So it's okay like this. So I'm going to go to my tools. I'm going to reduce opacity a little bit. Ctrl T to resize it. After resizing it, then I'm going to go to my filter, blur, caution blur, to make it the shadow look like a big shadow. I'll press OK. You can see it's like a big shadow beneath the image. So right then, I'm going to go to my objects here. I'm going to drag it into my Photoshop. Yeah, drag it, so I want to select it. So I'm going to select this object only. So I'm going to click on select object. So I'll add Photoshop to do this work. So you have to select the object. I'll press Ctrl G to make the object to be duplicate. Then delete the main object. So I'll click on the object, then resize it to this angle, the way it was in the previous design that I did. So I'm going to do it and put it at this angle. You can see it's at this angle. So the color is not like the color. So I'll press Ctrl U. That is only saturation. Then I'm going to change the color to the given color that it was in the previous design. So this was the color it was in the previous design. So then I'm going to bring it down here. So I'll give you a motion blur now. Go to filter, go to blur, go to motion blur. So I'll give -9 and the angle at distance 18. So I'll press OK. So then I'll go to my press U. That is use shortcut of the shape tool. So then I'll press U, then go a shape tool there. So I'm going to change the color to white. I'll drag it down a little bit. I'm going to reshape this a little bit. And also reshape this a little bit. So after then I'm going to shape this a little bit. Also duplicate the square, Ctrl G to duplicate it, and also drag it to this angle. Press enter. So I'm going to change the color of this green. I'm going to give this dark turquoise color. Alright, I'm close to the design. So I've put a design close to the design. So you can see I'm moving forward in the design. So after then I'll go to my text T for shortcut of text. And I'm going to write it is weekend. There's a social media design. And I'm going to put this weekend. So I'm going to drag it at the center. So I'm going to hold the text, then go hold Control and press background to make it centralized. It's centralized already. So I'll change this color to white. I'm also going to change the font to a theme of Modra. That is the name of the font. That's the name of the font that being used. Let me zoom in there. It's being centralized, so I'm going to add shadow to it. So I've added shadow to it. So the design is going to do space to the spread is 2. So excuse me. So after then which we do duplicate press Alt to duplicate this. Now the tab right, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your weekend. So after then I will take it to this angle a little bit. Run down to the maybe update a little bit. Now press Alt to duplicate it. The text. We also write weekend. Also change the font. So I'll change font to Backbone B. That's the name I change font to. I'll press T to resize it. Also curve it a bit more. That is the way I do it. After then I press Alt to duplicate this. I'll also put it at this right angle, rotate it at the right side, rotate it, then reduce your opacity a little bit. Also press Alt Ctrl G, rotate it. Also put it at this angle. Also press Alt and also put it here. Also minus to zoom out. Also rotate it. And put on this onto shape. Also rotate it. Alright then. The other is how I achieve this design in Photoshop. That's how I achieve this design in Photoshop. So how this area is how this area is helpful for you. Any like and subscribe to my channel. I see you in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching.